Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Rebirth in My Hair. It's Alicia. So today I'm going to be sharing with you all how I made my DIY hair oil combination using the basics. Very cheap and inexpensive, and it's great because I have dry, low porosity hair, and this combination really does what I really needed to do for my hair, which is moisturize and retain that moisture. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing today's video, stick around. So first step is avocado oil. It's a very lightweight formula, easily absorbed into the hair and scalp. It contains many nutrients such as vitamins A, B, D, and E, protein, amino acids, iron, copper, magnesium, and folic acid. Up next is one of my favorites, olive oil. Olive oil draws moisture to the hair, giving it a healthier look and shine, rich in vitamins A and E and antioxidants. It also protects the keratin in the hair and seals in moisture. Okay. Castor oil. Even though it's a thick oil, I integrate it with my other oils because it is great at not only sealing my hair, but promoting the health of my hair overall and also promoting my hair's growth. And lastly, tea tree oil. This oil helps with your scalp's overall blood circulation. Okay, so all you need for this hair oil combination is a cup of your favorite light oil. I chose avocado oil. Then next, I chose to use a half a cup of olive oil. And it's my favorite sealant, a tablespoon, I believe, a tablespoon of castor oil. And because this oil is thick, I had to go in there with my finger and scoop the rest of it out. And then next, my tea tree oil. I put like 4 drops of tea tree oil into the oil mixture. And then mix it up. And the very last step to your oil making is getting it and putting it in a container or bottle. To the left, you can see I used a bottle. I think you call that an applicator bottle. And then the oil that you see me pouring now into this small bottle is just a bottle that I can take with me whenever I travel, which is good because I don't have to take that big thing and risk me spilling oil. Okay, that's it. So I got about 6.5 ounces in the applicator bottle and approximately 1.5-ish ounces in this travel size. Now all I'm going to do is show you guys how I apply the oil to my hair. I failed to mention in the beginning of the video that I wanted this oil to be a multi-purpose use oil. So you can either use it as a hot oil treatment or as daily use oil. And when you use it as hot oil treatment, of course, you want to apply it to your scalp, massage it in, and also to the ends. This will also work great if you want to pre-poo your hair also. And for daily use, make sure that you rub that oil right on in those ends since it's the oldest of your hair. You can find this applicator bottle. I know I found mine at Sally's. It was not cheap for me personally for a plastic bottle. It was approximately $2.99, $3.99, and I think that was on sale. But yeah, if you're wondering where I got the applicator bottle, that's where I got it. So that is all I have for you guys today. Hope that you enjoyed this video. If there are any other videos that you guys would like to see me do, any other DIY hair products that you guys would like to see me do, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. I would definitely love to hear from you guys. Don't forget to turn on your notification if you subscribe to this channel, which I hope that you will, because I plan on uploading great content for you guys. Also, do like this video. That's all I have for you guys today. Until next time, bye guys.